Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, OMNIACS and Omni token holders from across the globe. OMNIACS, another whale came into the Omni token today. We got to 3.7 million. Look at this thing go. It is working. OMNIACS, one of the things I wanted to tell you is, listen, OMNIACS, unite. Don't sell right now. Do you understand what's going on here? When whales come in, if nobody sells, if you just allow me to show you how this works, just follow my lead, this token will reach a level where then when we do want to get out and take some profits, it won't really impede the integrity of the price of the coin. But you guys got to let it go higher. You just got to sit tight. We only started the coin a few months ago, kids. Sit tight, you know what I mean? We're all doing really, really well. And I'm helping steer the ship, and I haven't sold a single coin. When people come in to buy, you got to sit tight. Don't jump out yet. We're going to take this to much higher levels. I'm bringing in more fans, more friends. Crypto Kelly's coming here in a little while. We're going to now hire some influencers for Twitter because we've already hired those, for YouTube, and we've hired a bunch that go on all the different websites that have to do with crypto, and we just keep building awareness, and more whales keep coming in. And I've got OMNIACS from all over the world coming in. So sit tight, kids. What are you knocking the value down for? It's not going to help us. If we all sit tight, when this reaches a specific level, that it's now at a level and it's so thick that us taking profits doesn't matter. Us first-time token holders, the ones who started in the beginning, the brave ones who put their money in first, we can all take turns rotating out, and I promise you, we'll all contact one another. If you're all patient, I'll contact you, and we'll legally, correctly, rotate out the same way we got in so that we don't hurt the price of the coin for all the others who got in after us. But it's got to be done methodically. You know what I'm saying? I promise I have a plan. It's got all of you token holders in it. You guys have been holding tokens since the beginning. I have a plan for all of us. Sit tight, okay? Let this move higher. When the whales come in, show them. We're not jumping out. OMNIACS unite. Go in and buy OMNIACS from around the world. Go in there right now. Buy little bits. All of us will. Let's continue to show the whales that are joining us that we support them. That's the way that we will all get wealthy with this coin over time. Please do that. Go out there and do it now. Then go to Deck Screener. We're there now. Let me show you. Go here on Deck Screener. Go down to the bottom and click this, or the fire. This helps algorithms all over the world see that people are recognizing that this token is viable, it's real, and it's moving higher. You can only click this once a day. You know, it checks your IP to make sure that you're not cheating. I like that very much. It's as honest as our token is. We have been honest. I have been holding this up, traders. I keep buying. Go out there and buy your Omni tokens. Next time we get a whale that comes in, show them respect. Show them that we love them. Let's keep this thing moving. You have done a fantastic job out there, OMNIACS. Now, I will tell you this. If you are a long-time token holder, if you started in the beginning and you got a decent amount, write to me. I've got a list of you. We'll all communicate with one another, and we'll make sure that we can safely, when it's time to take profits, we don't hurt the people that came in after us. This is a community token. We all need to do well. I'll make sure we all do well. Thank you, OMNIACS. You've done a great job. Go out and buy your Omni tokens. You can buy them right on Coinbase. You don't need Solana anymore. Just go grab your Omni tokens. OMNIACS unite. Now, this evening, I will do a video. I'll get out in front of the camera, and I'll address my OMNIACS who are also following my Omni trading recommendations. Because, boy, am I getting my ass kicked for the last 6 weeks. Oh, you have no idea. Just ugly. So I will come out and, of course, bite the bullet on that one tonight in my video. OMNIACS unite. Go grab your Omni tokens. And remember, stop soar in. Emotions are out. OMNIACS, the token address is right below this video. Go grab your Omni tokens. OMNIACS unite.